Good Monday morning, fellow high seas cruisers. Chris here, and welcome to today's video. All right, it is July the 1st, which means there is a big change across all of the cruise lines today. One we already did videos on, but I just kind of want to put it back out there as a reminder. So, the Consumer Protection Act that was passed by California, which says no more hidden fees in advertised prices, goes into effect today. Now, while this was passed in California and is a California state law, the cruise lines have decided to do this across the entire United States market. That way, there is no confusion in their pricings. So, if you looked at a cruise just yesterday, day before, even last week, and you go and look at a cruise this week, you are going to see a price increase or a perceived price increase, because beginning today, port fees and taxes, things you normally only saw at checkout, now have to be included in the advertised price. So if you've been looking at a cruise and you go back and check it, like, wow, this now looks like it's gone up by $100, $200, whatever the particular price may be for that cruise. Well, it is now because the advertised price will include port fees and taxes. So what they advertise it for is what you're going to pay for it at the end. Now, of course, that doesn't include gratuities or any extras you can purchase for the cruise, just the base fare, port fees, and taxes, all in one price, and that now has to be the advertised price. So just wanted to put that reminder out there in case anybody hops on, looks at a cruise, and gets a little bit of a sticker shock first thing this morning. Next up, we have our first name hurricane of the season. That's right, we are 30 days into hurricane season. It's time for our first one, Hurricane Beryl. Beryl. I'm not 100% sure I am saying that name correctly, but it is our first name hurricane, and it is going to be moving through the Caribbean this week, heading towards Mexico. Now, Hurricane Beryl is expected to pass just south of Jamaica and the Cayman Islands about midweek, so roughly around on Wednesday, before continuing on towards Mexico. And this means there is always the possibility of itinerary changes. If you have a cruise scheduled to pass through the path of this particular hurricane, which of course can change at any time, hurricanes can change direction, just be aware you may have an itinerary change. There may be adjustments for weathers. You can have ports canceled, ports rearranged. You could go from an Eastern Caribbean cruise to a Western Caribbean cruise, or vice versa. Remember, cruise lines are always going to put passengers, crew members, and the ship's safety first. But if you have an upcoming cruise here over the next couple of days, particularly visiting around the Mexico area, Cozumel, Costa Maya, Progreso, keep an eye on your emails. You never know, there may be an itinerary change depending on your cruise. And finally, imagine heading to get yourself a slice of pizza on board a cruise ship. You've had a great day, a lot of fun, enjoyed the sun, the music, just the total cruise vibe. Now you want a slice of pizza. You head back into the buffet area where the pizza is on this particular ship, and a fight breaks out. And we're not talking just a little fight. This is basically a brawl. Plates are flying, chairs are flying, people are in a pile on the floor. You can see people swinging. And all you wanted was a slice of pizza. Well, this is exactly what happened on the Carnival Paradise back on June the 6th. There was a video posted over on TikTok of the particular incident. I'm going to show you guys a clip from this video. Take a look at this.
Oh, I better back it up. World Star! World Star! Back up, my man, back up. It's going down. Hey! Oh, shit! Welcome to the motherfucking cruise. No, not me, man. Hold on, shit. Oh, shit! There it goes! There it goes! Shit! God damn! God damn! Welcome to the cruise. Holy shit! Come on, man. Hey, come on, man. God damn. Holy shit. Hey. God damn. What's up? God damn. Get him, homie. God damn. Someone got fucked up. I just want some pizza. Where's the pizza at, though? Let him know. What a piece of ass. Oh, shit. Goddamn. World star.
Now, we have no idea what started this fight, no idea what prompted them to do this on the Carnival Paradise, because if you do something like this on a cruise ship, there's going to be consequences. And in this particular case, there definitely was consequences. Carnival Cruise Line put out the following statement. Carnival Paradise's security team intervened in an incident that took place on June the 6th. As is our policy, we will not tolerate such behavior, and the guests involved were fined and will not sail on Carnival Cruise Line again. Now, the fine for such an incident could be up to $500 for each person involved, and they're never going to be able to sail on Carnival Cruise Lines again. That means a lifetime ban. Now, I have no idea what motivates people to act like this on the ship. Is it alcohol related? Did they know each other? Is it something that's been going on the whole cruise? I don't know, and the video never does say. I just have to ask the question, after all of that, now you have a $500 fine and you could never cruise on Carnival Cruise Lines again. Was it really worth it? And that's going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.